side avenue.
Nakalimutan kong gumawa ng intro dito, but anyways, just in case you guys are wondering, here's me and my boyfriend picking up his aunt and cousin to go to Atlantic City.
I want it in the worst ways, oh baby. The shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health, I swear you go to hell. Take the L, I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud, are you happy now? Cause I really hate you, cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you, and I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off. No, there's no more saving things. You're gon' pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can't hate me in the next life or the next one again. I want it in the worst ways, oh baby. The shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health, I swear you go to hell. Take the L, I don't wanna see you swell.
Palit ako ng damit. Iniwan muna namin yung ibang pinamili, and then I'm alone right now. Kasi may wala ako kay the Virgin.
And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud, are you happy now?
Ay, ang init.
Cause I really hate you, cause you made me so blue.
Finally, after an hour of waiting, the food has arrived.
Okay. Everyone's like very scared.
Masaya.
But I'll cut you off. But I really need you.
Ay, sayang! Ay, sayang! Ah! Diba?
Baby, let's cruise away from here. Don't be confused. The way is clear. And if you wanna check out forever,
Pwede na ako mag-NYP siya.
Not bad.
let the music take your mind. And just releasing you. Gonna fly away. Let you go my way. Oh baby, I love it when we're moving together.
Hi, hello there. Today is a Sunday, and it's 3:31 p.m. We're now heading to Hudson Lanes.
Huge zone. sobrang lakas mo na. Dinaan sa lakas eh.
I wanna see that you want me. Snatch me up quick. Let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward? Bust down the door, playing all my cards now. 'Cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Baby, get love, only I can get love. Every time I think about you, lately you've been trying to.
Okay, so here's the current mess. Hello, good evening. So it's currently 9:23 p.m. and I just woke up from my nap, and I wanted to do a quick haul from everything that I've got from this weekend. So first, I think simula tayo sa pinaka-maliit. So here's what I got from Bath & Body Works. I've got 5 body creams, fragrance mist. Sobrang bango nito. I'm not a fan of sweet perfumes, but this one's really good. Hand cream. And then lastly, from Bath & Body Works, I've got their antibacterial hand gel. So next is we went to Hanes. And I've got 2 hoodies for my mom and then kay Papa. Okay. Just gray one to go to my mother. So this one is so cute. Kasi colored yung logo niya. It was $10 off. So nakuha ko na lang itong dalawa for $30. So actually, halos lahat ng nabili ko is not for me. Most of them are from my family and friends from the Philippines. So I got these shoes from Champs. Here. I got this from my mom. Here. This one. So cute. Basic lang. But malaki yung size niya, so I will have to change this one maybe next week or tomorrow pag merong time kasi malaki siya. Sabi ko sa parents ko, i-draw nila yung paa nila sa paper so that I could get the exact size if makabili ako ng shoes nila. But then, last week nung pumunta ako sa mall, naiwan ko yung drawing ni Mama. And then, yesterday nung pumunta ako sa mall, naiwan ko yung kay Papa. But luckily, I got the correct size for my dad. Next one, we'll go to Adidas. Let's see what I've got. So, first, I've got this jersey shirt from my brother. So next, I've also got this swimwear short. Or, I don't know, hindi ko alam kung paano siya magkakasya. Kung magkakasya sa kapatid ko or kay Papa. But anyways, I've got this only... no! Hindi siya from Adidas. So this one's from H&M. Kita ko kasing sale. So from $15, it was down to $6. So, kinuha ko na gusto mo. This one is just a basic shirt from Adidas. And then last one, ito na yun. This one's just a windbreaker. Kasi mainit sa Pinas, so, and mahilig magmotor yung papa ko. Kaya, I got him a windbreaker jacket para hindi masyadong mainit or masunog yung balat. Okay, may naligaw na naman na item sa paperback ng Forever 21. This one, I've got this one from from H&M. Kasabay siya nitong shirt ko na suot, which is just basic top. And then, meron siyang design sa likod. So, pangatlong palda ko na yata ito na ganito. Meron akong black and then white. And this one is like in cream color siya. good thing is, this one is on sale as well. Yung original price is $25, down to $10 na lang siya. So, I'm very happy kasi sobrang laki ng enough niya. What a steal. So, next is this big paper bag from Under Armour. So, wala talagang kung masyado nag-break sa Under Armour. Parang nagpalit lang kami ng ka-virgin ng paper bag kasi nung nag-ayos kami sa car, masyado nang madaming paper bag. So, dalawang items lang na nabili ko. Cap from Under Armour. So, wala lang. Ang cute lang kasi niya. Very black. And then, yung brand lang. I've got the shoes from Under Armour. So, this one's for my papa. Ano lang siya, like, plain black na pang-jogging niya. Okay, ito na yung mga H&M kong nabili. Hindi ko na ipapakita, hindi ko na isa-isahin kasi hindi ka na ng ibang pagbibigyan ko. But then, ito, like, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 tops. All from H&M. So, yeah. Merong isang item dito na natitira from Forever 21. So, isang top lang siya for my friend. Down to the last paper bag. So, this one is from Abercrombie. I've got just some basic shoe for me and my mom. Magkakaparehas ng design nila, like yung brand lang. So, that's just basically everything that I've got from yesterday and then from the other week. So, ayun na. Usually, lahat ng napamili ko is for my family and then my friends. Konti lang yung sa akin doon, like 3 items lang. Gusto ko lang siyang i-film just because I feel happy about it na kahit pakonti-konti. And nakakabili na ako ng something for my family and my friends. So, nag-order lang ako sa DoorDash. And I'm not sure kung dito na i-order ko. Let me just check. So, pinipick up pa lang yung order. It will arrive between 9:58 and 10:06 and it's currently 9:40. So, meron pa akong ilang minutes para mag-antay. And hindi pa naman ako masyadong gutom. So, ngayon, all good na tayo. Hindi pala naka-record yung una kong vid kanina. Yung una kong bite. So, anyways, dumating na yung order ko sa KFC. And late siya ng 30 minutes, guys. And then, nabuksan ko na yung food. Na-try ko na yung wrap. So, yung in-order ko is itong KFC wrap. Nakita ko din kanina kung paano ko ni-remove yung pickles kasi itong in-order ko is chicken tender with mayo and then itong wrap and then may pickles siya. But since hindi ako makain ng pickles and nakalimutan ko siya tanggalin upon ordering kanina, ayun, ni-remove ko na siya. So yeah, let's take a bite again. Nag-order din ako ng fries. Which is okay lang. Mas prefer ko pa rin yung fries ng Wendy's or ng Jollibee. And then nag-order din ako nitong nalimutan ko yung pangalan. Mashed potatoes and then corn and then chicken tenders again and again. May gravy na din pala siya.